Good morning, friends. This is time for the early morning trade plan. Now, today, as we open, the SGX Nifty is showing a 70 odd point gap down. So, basically, exactly what I spoke about over the weekend, that I'll be getting a decline to buy into. Now, how do you buy into this decline? You have to wait for the decline to end, make some kind of a higher low, and then you know uh, trade the upside. Broad range could be this 29,850 type of zone, and on the Nifty, I think 13,200 could act as a decent support, but this is what we wanted in terms of an opening decline, which takes the Nifty cash index towards 13,220, 210 thereabouts. Overall, global markets are a little soft, so you don't buy in the first decline. I would think that there could be a second decline post which you could have, that sort of rally. So wait for the market to make a couple of lower lows and then try to enter. I would think these sort of intraday declines can often lead to large upside rallies, because if during the day Dow futures recovers, then everybody who's gone short in the morning, they tend to get into trouble. So what I would be looking to do is possibly buy 13,300 calls even for 10th of December, and maybe again get back into the 30,000 call for 10th of December. But you can only buy these weekly calls once the market has turned and there is some amount of short covering situation which is clearly visible. So don't be too early, but somewhere around midday is what we are targeting in terms of taking long positions. And I would think that should possibly work out by the end of the day. Individual stocks, I think financials are very strong. So any sort of decline on financials should lead to buying. Private sector, public sector, there is some news of fraud on SBI, but I think the public sector will look beyond it because it's already declared an NPA. So financials is the place where I am looking to buy, but we'll have to see how the markets open. So that should be it for this quick early morning uh, update or trade plan. Basically, stop losses in my view would be closer to 13,150 and about 29 700 thereabouts. These are approximate stops. Obviously, market action will determine what sort of stops should be used. We are also grateful we have hit 900 members on our uh, YouTube channel, members, not subscribers. And we hope that everybody who's joining the join button has a good time. Others can even look at recorded webinar, which is available at 2000 plus GST, or the live webinar, which is on 19th of December for 20,000 plus GST. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.